Creating a 3D animation video has always been one of the hardest tasks. Animating is a highly creative and time-consuming process. Sometimes a creator would have to work for weeks just a few minutes of animation. However, in this era of AI, animating has become much easier. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to animate a 3D movie with just few clicks. You can even upload these videos to YouTube and generate a passive revenue. We all know YouTube is a great passive income source. So now let's jump into the video. The website that we are using is DeepMotion. Go to your search engine and enter deepmotion.com. And now we come to this page. Here first we need to sign up and create an account. It's simple, just enter your email and set a password. After creating an account, click on Enter Animator 3D. Now click on Animator 3D. Next, click on Get Started on the next page. Now here you can see the instructions or choose to skip. For now, I am skipping. Here click on 3D model. So in this step, we will create our 3D model. You can also upload a 3D model, but this time we will create a model using this AI, using the DeepMotion. Here you can see you can create two types of models, a stylized character or a realistic character. Select whichever you prefer. I will choose stylized character. Here you can select a masculine for a male character, feminine for a feminine character, or don't specify if you want to create a different character. Now here you can create a model with your own photo using the camera or upload a photo from your computer. However, I will create a model using DeepMotion's database, so I am clicking to continue without a photo. Now here you have to select an avatar. After selecting an avatar, click on Next, and this is our AI generated 3D model. You can customize the model as you wish, changing the skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose type, outfit, and everything else. After customizing your avatar, now click on Next. Here you can create an account with Ready Player to reuse the avatar or skip it. Now here give your character a name and click on Save. Now our 3D model is ready. Now let's create an animation with this model. To create an animation video with this model, click on Create Animation. If you want to create a 3D static pose, click here. To create a static pose, upload a photo with the desired model pose. This time we are creating an animation, so I am selecting 3D animation. Click on Browse File. I will upload a dancing video that I have already downloaded. Select the video and rename it if necessary. Note that your video should be less than 20 seconds since the free version allows only 20 seconds of video. If you have a longer video, split it into parts of 20 seconds and create the animation part by part. Okay, now we need to make some changes to the settings. If you want to export it in GIF or other animation formats, turn on physics filtering, face tracking, and hand tracking. If your model is only the upper body, then turn on upper body only. Otherwise, leave it as it is. If you want to create a video, click on Video Output and enable MP4 output. Here, let's turn off MP4 audio and include an original video. Now next click on Custom Background and select a solid color. Set the camera mode to cinematic, and now our settings are complete. Now click on Create. Now here click on Start Job. DeepMotion will take some time to create our animation. Alright, now our 3D animation is ready. You can preview it with our original video. Now click on the download button. Select your desired format. I will choose MP4 format. Now our animation video has been downloaded to our computer. After downloading the 3D model, go to Canva. Click on Video to create a blank video. Now click on Element and search for an animation background. Select the video and choose a background video that best suits to your video topic. Here I am selecting this one. After selecting the video, click the right button and select Set Video as Background. And now click on Share and download the video in MP4 format. Now we need to give the final touch to our animation video. For that, I am using a video editor Premiere Pro. First, import your animated model and background video to Premiere Pro. And now place the background video on video layer 1 and the animation video on layer 2. Now select the animation layer and go to Effects, and here search Keying, and here you can see Ultra key, and now drag and drop it in your animation layer. And now remove the green screen. After placing the videos, trim the background video to match the length of the animated video. So now the final step, let's add music to our video. I will download copyright-free music from YouTube. After downloading the music, insert it to the audio section and adjust it according to the video. Once you have completed your editing, go to Files and enter Export. And here you can select the settings, and now here you can export your video. Okay, now let's play it. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools, and if you think that this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.